Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for this video, nabudol ako sa one, and also for this month, nabudol ako sa online shop. It is a big switch talaga, and also I want to try it. Though I'm a user of this one before, pero ibang klase naman siya. So, I'll share it with you. So, for our product unboxing, it is from Hey Delilah PH. So, ito yung kanilang IG store. Ayan. It's about health and wellness website. So, the most affordable menstrual cup now available for only 879 pesos. Free shipping nationwide. So, they already have 1,911 followers sa Instagram nila, and at the same time meron din silang Facebook page that I can link below. This brand or starting brand, ayan. Hey Delilah cup is reusable tampon or pads alternative made from 100% medical grade silicone. So made from silky smooth silicone to promote comfort and ease of use. So 100% medical grade silicone contains no plastic, BPAs, chemicals, or toxins, so you can rest easy knowing there's no chemical nasties lurking inside your Hey Delilah cup. Nabudol ako, at the same time I want to support local businesses, especially here in the Philippines. Ayan, and starting businesses. So, I'll give it a review. So, nag-order ako sa kanila ng menstrual cup, of course. So, my package just arrived at exactly 3 days talaga siya darating. So, unbox lang natin. Ito siyang name ko, ayan, Christine Melody. And then, unwrap na natin. So, ito guys, I'll do a separate video, about the reasons why I switched 360 degrees talaga from using napkins and tampons to menstrual cup. So, I'll have a separate video about it. But for this video, it is fully dedicated sa Delilah cup. Hi, Molly! It's actually, the good thing about this brand is they have 2 sizes. They have this small size for beginners. At the same time, may specific age range. While itong large, depende siya sa flow mo, at the same time sa age mo. Okay, so ito yung packaging nila. It is a box, and so it says Hey Delilah. Ang ganda ng packaging kasi it's very eco-friendly. I open up the package, so this is how it looks like. Actually, may giveaway, ganito rin naman siya. Pero they have a letter for me. So thank you for your order. Hey Christine, thank you for supporting our small businesses, and congratulations for making the switch. We hope you have an amazing journey with your new Hey Delilah cup. So, yes, you are welcome, Hey Delilah. And thank you so much for making this idea, yan, to help our Filipino girls out there na ma-realize nila kung ano yung magandang reason ng switch talaga, and at the same time in helping the mother. So thank you so much, Hey Delilah, for this one. So God bless. The Hey Delilah Girls New Bestie Period Made Comfy, wear up to 12 hours. So ayan po siya. Yan. So, tingnan natin. First item. Second item, meron tayong scrunchie, which is nauso, which is maganda sa hair. Hindi siya nag-leave ng, ano ba to? Parang curve sa hair mo. So, yan, the best. We have the, what do you call this? This one is the sterilizer cup. Ayan. So, ganito siya, guys. Yan, ang cute, diba? Pink, kagaya siya ng suot ko. Still lavender organ. So, ganito nyo lang siya. Collapsible siya na sterilizer cup. So, ayan siya. Diyan mo ilalagay yung cup or yung menstrual cup mo. Tapos, lagay mo hot water or ilagay mo sa microwave. Then, takpan mo lang siya. There. Then, pwede mo na siyang ibalik ulit. So, yun. Freebie. This is a freebie. Next sa box natin is that We have a sanitizer. Ayan, in 30 ml alcohol gel sanitizer in color pink. So, ayan siya. Very girly and very useful talaga. Then, last, we have some stickers. And the rest, siya yung confetti na yan sa box para to protect the package kung mauntog-untog and hindi siya mamumove. So, that's it for our box. So, I have this, "You are amazing. I am empowered. I made this switch, and yes, 100% I made the switch." So to proceed and to continue, I'm going to open the box already, this one. So it says here, scan me sa side. Visit our website, heydelilah.ph.com. Then they have their email, then Facebook page, and IG page. So, sabi dito, it says here that no allergens, 12-hour use, last year. So, specifically like 5 years to 10 years. Depends on how you will take good care of your menstrual cup. Then, we have the 100% made of soft medical grade silicone. So, ayan siya. And then, sa pinakalikod or the back part, so we have here the message. So this is what's inside the box. So I have this one, the canvas na pouch. This is reusable. And we have the Hey Delilah Girls New Bestie or User's Manual. You can see the same description, their objective, their mission, vision, like that. And also, they have 2 instructions of how to use it and also how to remove it. So, this is a beginner-friendly talaga. And also, they have this Scan Me barcode for you to, find their page. You can ask them there or makipag-friend sa mga users talaga. So, it says here, slogan nila is that better for the planet, better for your period, which I do agree. Kasi I'm a user of the menstrual cup talaga. So, this one, ayan. Ayan na siya. Makapal yung canvas. So, eto na siya. Wow! Ang laki niya nga, okay. So, sobrang legit na malaki siya as in. Diba? So, this one, eto lang siya. Unlike dun sa ginagamit ko na Lily Cup, it's different kasi that one is collapsible and this one is literally cup talaga. So, the same thing lang na meron sila is yung holes dito sa gilid, which will help you create the suction or the seal sa loob para hindi ka matagusan. Kahit anong position mo sa pagtulog or anong activity mo. So, ayun lang siya. At the same time, yun lang. Pero, hindi bothering to for sure. Unlike sa Lily Cup kasi pa-hook siya. So, this one is straight lang na ganyan. Ayan siya. Pero, ang laki niya talaga. And, sturdy naman siya na silicone. And, yes. Ayan siya. So, pwede mo siyang... Ito kasi talaga yung ginagamit ko. Punch down fold. Kasi siya yung mabilis talagang i-insert. At the same time, maganda. Mabilis siyang gamitin. So, that's it lang. And it's color pink. Pero pag parang sa damit ko, medyo yun nga, lavender na siya. And there, that's it, girls, for my unboxing. So, for the review, I'll try to use this one. And then, since papalapit na rin naman ang aking monthly bisita, so, I'll be using this one agad-agad. Why large binili ko? Kasi actually regular ako. At the same time, user na talaga ako ng menstrual cup. Also, heavy yung flow ko. Though regular, I mean, heavy na basta normal rin naman yun. Hindi siya yung sobrang excessive na blood. But yes, ito siya. So, I'll try it. Then, I'll give you a feedback. And there. So I got it for 879 each, but because of the promo sales, they have a coupon or discount code for you. And abang-abang lang kayo. That's why you have to follow them sa Facebook page or IG page. And this is the most awaited part on how to win my giveaway. So I also have a giveaway for you girls who wanted to try menstrual cup, at the same time who wanted to experience the tagos-free, super easy life, and that you will love your period every month. And also, you'll be one of the example na makatulong sa planet Earth, diba? And ito, I will not open this one. So, my mechanics about this giveaway would be easy. Only you have to be my subscriber. You need to leave me a comment below about why do you want to try the menstrual cup, or what struck you the most about this video in switching or trying the menstrual cup. Third one is that you have to follow as well my public page. It's Mellow Mix Beauty Studio, but I will post it in my description box. And next one is that you have to like this video as well, and I need to check if you are a subscriber already, your post is in public, and also your comment. Yan. So that's it basically for my video for today. So yun lang, that's the only mechanic that I will have. Then in the description box, I will put the details still of the mechanics, and also when will be the announcement of the winner. So I will have a one blessed girl to have a free menstrual cup from me. So please like, subscribe, and also share this one for your friends na gusto rin matry ito. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you'll be part also of the community na gumagamit ng menstrual cup. Thank you so much for watching this video, and God bless.